Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to delete account on Snapchat. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So what you need to do is go on official page on Snapchat. Okay, now login, and you have also link in the description. And what you need to do is write username or address email. Okay, you see now. So username and password. Okay, and here you have option like also never mind. Here is option delete account. You will be have in your language. It's Polish, and now you click on this delete account, and now you may remove. Yes, you may remove. Delete account. Now you must write password. And look, account deactivate. Your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. If you've gotten confirmed email address on Snapchat, we'll let you know when that happens. After 13 days, your account will be deleted. If you want to reactivate your account before all this, please log in to Snapchat. Okay, and you did it. It is the same way option like on Facebook. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, share to others, write a comment. See you next time, and bye bye.